Hey guys, welcome back. This is your Dallas real estate agent, Jaran Ramsey, and I want to welcome you guys to my channel, Moving to Dallas, Texas. And I want to just remind you guys, if you guys have any real estate needs, if you have questions about the market, please book a discovery call with us or just simply give me a phone call. And if you guys are local and you have real estate needs, allow us to serve you. And right now we are in another beautiful masterpiece. And I'm going to call this one, what's a good name? Let's call it Blank Canvas. The builder has done a great job, but this house also has room for you to add your own personal touch, right? If you want to add your own specifications, or if you want to kind of customize it a little bit yourself, you have room to do that, which is why I love it. So if you guys want to see more homes like this, or if you guys need access to more builders, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. If you are a seller and you want to know how much your home is worth and how can you buy and sell your home simultaneously, we can assist you with that. So right now, I'll just shut up and I want you guys to just come follow along. Please leave any comments or your feedback in the comment section.